Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make netherite armor. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need 4 netherite ingots and a full set of diamond armor. This powerful upgrade significantly boosts your protection and resilience. Netherite armor is the best in the game, providing excellent defense against all damage types. It also has high blast resistance, making explosions less dangerous. To begin, you must venture into the Nether to find ancient debris. This rare block is typically located at Y level 15, so dig deep. You will need a diamond pickaxe or stronger to successfully mine it. Each block of ancient debris can be smelted into 1 netherite scrap. You will need 4 netherite scraps to craft a single netherite ingot. Once you have collected enough ancient debris, smelt it in a furnace to get netherite scraps. For each netherite ingot, you will need 4 netherite scraps and 4 gold ingots. Arrange these 8 items on a crafting table to form 1 netherite ingot. Remember, you will need 4 netherite ingots in total to upgrade a full set of diamond armor. Finally, it is time to upgrade your diamond armor. Head to a smithing table and place your diamond armor piece in the first slot. Then, put 1 netherite ingot in the second slot. This will transform your diamond item into its netherite equivalent. Repeat this process for each piece of armor you wish to upgrade. You now possess the most powerful armor in the game. Be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.